Hi, I'm Chef Joe with Giant Eagle. If you're in the mood for steaks, this London broil recipe is perfect for you. Our London broil marinade is simple and perfect for the grill. Loaded with garlic, red wine vinegar, and rosemary, aside from adding amazing flavor, the marinade is the secret to a tender London broil. Now, let's make our marinade. Using a heavy-duty Ziploc bag, we're going to add our olive oil, red wine vinegar, brown sugar, you could use light or dark, Worcestershire sauce, chopped garlic, kosher salt, black pepper, for a little bit of heat, some red chili flakes, and some fresh rosemary. Seal the bag, gently remove the air, gently massage the bag to dissolve all of the spices. Next, place your London broil in the marinade. Allow this to sit in your refrigerator for at least 4 hours and up to 24. The acid in the marinade will actually help tenderize the meat over time, so don't skip this step. Okay, we're about 30 minutes out from cooking our steak. What we want to do now is start preheating our grill to medium-high heat. That's about 450 degrees. Grill your London broil for approximately 4 to 6 minutes per side until you reach an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from the grill and allow to rest at room temperature for 10 minutes. This will help the meat retain all of its natural juices. For more great recipes just like this London broil, be sure to visit gianteagle.com.